Good afternoon. It's nearly dinner time, and we are once again doing a budget meal. And this is truly a budget meal. This recipe is from the Pioneer Woman, and the link to the recipe will be down below. I'm just making one little change. One of the things that all of us do is instead of running to the store for an ingredient, if we have something that we can equally substitute, that's the way to go, and that keeps our overall cost down. I happen to have 4 cups of turkey chunks instead of chicken chunks, and this is left over from our Thanksgiving turkey, so it's been out there for about 8 months, and so we're happy to just use that instead of chicken. I have already snipped the bacon. Now I've cooked the bacon, Jim cooked the bacon, and I'm going to turn it back on because we have the drippings left in the pan. It was 6 strips of bacon, and I pre-cut it before I cook it because it makes it much more even. And so that's already done. That part is done. So we are ready now to move on to the next step in her recipe. And I have everything all ready. Once you get everything all ready, this goes together like a breeze. She calls it an instant family favorite, and indeed it is. It's a wonderful recipe. This will make at least 3 meals for Jim and me. So next, going into this, the bacon drippings is the chopped onion and the garlic. We're doing those together. And we're just going to stir these until they're a little bit soft. This will take about 5 minutes, so we'll be back. All right, so here we go. These are ready. So to this, we're going to add our 2 cups of milk. We're now going to be making the cream sauce that goes with this casserole that puts everything together. And here is 8 ounces of cream cheese that I've cut into cubes that will come apart as it melts. And we have the ranch seasoning mix. Got a good deal on this at dollar store. This was $1. It's a knockoff, but it sure smells good. Okay. And we're just going to let this melt together. I'm going to add about 1/3, which is 1 cup of the mozzarella cheese. And we just stir this together until everything is melted and smooth. So we'll come back when our sauce is ready to go. This sauce is ready. It's wonderful. Oh my gosh. Okay, now, here's what is going to happen. I changed the size of my bowl because I think I need a lot of stirring room. So here's the pimentos. Get these out of the way. And about 1/2 cup of the green onions, saving the rest for later. The pasta. The chicken, or in our case, it's the turkey. All right, now I need some stirring room, so I'm going to take a second and just clear the deck. I am now going to pour the sauce into this mixture. And then we're going to stir this mixture all together. until everything is evenly blended throughout. stirring spoons. Make sure we get everything mixed. Oh, this is heavenly. Okay, now I have sprayed my baking dish. So I'm just going to pour the whole thing into the baking dish. Smooth it around.
Yeah, I think the one size smaller pan would have been just,
It would have been overflowing.
yeah.
Now, we're going to sprinkle oh gosh, this bacon over the top. Jim loves bacon so much. I slipped in an extra piece for you, honey.
Oh, thank you. So where is it? Which one is it?
Here's one, and oh, there's one right there. and-
Okay. Maybe a couple more someplace else?
Yes.
Yes, okay, well, thank you.
And then we're going to evenly sprinkle the remainder of this mozzarella cheese over the top. Now the oven has preheated to 375. We're going to bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes until it's bubbly and golden brown on the top. So we will be back when we're ready to take this out of the oven, and I'm going to see if we can talk Jim into coming around on this side of the camera to help us do the taste test. So we'll see you in about a half an hour. Hi,
Hi, do I know you?
are you hungry?
Oh, I'm hungry.
Okay, so we just took this out. It's been out for probably, what, 3 or 4 minutes is all. And it baked for about 35 minutes. I actually forgot it. I forgot to set the timer, and I was busy editing videos in the other room, and then I smelled it, and it smells delicious, and it is just done perfectly. The cheese was all bubbly, and it is browned in places, and so it is ready to go. So I'm pretty excited to try this.
That'd be good.
Yeah, well, with all that bacon on the
With all
top.
the bacon on top, definitely.
Okay, you tell me how much. This is gonna make, my gosh, Jim, this will make 3 meals for us, maybe 4. Forms kind of a crust on the top, it looks like.
Yeah. I think that's pretty typical
Yeah.
of that kind of stuff. Smells good.
And I like the turkey, I'm smelling turkey too.
Oh, I haven't smelled the turkey. We'll need some cinnamon or salt and pepper or something like that on.
I don't know if we will or not. We can get some if you want it.
I'm
The-
just messing around.
The mozzarella is stringy.
Yes, and stringy cheese is good.
Okay, here's your fork.
There's my fork. It looks good.
It does.
Very nice.
Smells good.
Yep. Well, I guess I won't. I said the garlic and the onion make it very nice. And the cheese, the cheese is also kind of an additional thing that enhances the flavor.
Have you ever thought about being an official food taster?
I was going to be a chef at one time.
I know you were.
Found out that wasn't for me.
Because
Better-
you go into good detail when you taste. I just say, oh, it's wonderful, it's
I
wonderful.
thought that's what I did.
No, you identify the individual ingredients, which is really good. I am loving this.
It is very good.
I think the taste is very, very nice.
The bacon also adds some extra flavor.
What? You like the bacon? I'm so shocked.
Well, I've been wondering about bacon for.
All right, well, 1 to 10.
At least an 11.
Oh, good, because I think so too. I think it is really, really good. And it went together so fast.
Yes.
So this will give us 4 meals easily.
Oh, easily.
And Pioneer Woman said this doesn't freeze well because of the pasta. But it will last 3 or 4 days in the refrigerator, but we can't have 4 meals on this in 3 or 4 days.
Who knows? Maybe
I guess we could have
lunch
a
and
breakfast,
dinner
lunch, and
and
dinner.
breakfast.
So I'm going to probably package 2 of the meals and then keep 1 in the refrigerator for 3 or 4 days from
Oh,
now.
that sounds good.
Okay, I think it works.
If we can wait that long.
I know it is really good.
It is very good.
So thank you so much for being with us. I hope you try this recipe. Easy, 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 budget, budget, budget. And we will see you very soon for more videos.
Take care. See you later.